All right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Kip Moore. I believe this is the third time here on this channel. Songs like Some Things and Sometimes She Stays are songs we covered here on Garden Guitar. I believe this is the third time with a song called Bad Spots. All right, so this is a pretty straightforward song. We have 4 chords that rolls in the same order through the entire song. We use a capo on 1st fret, and we'll also look at the melody. But first, setup and chords. So let's start with the chords and the C. So C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We go over to A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord, we have 2 variations of it. F with the bar chord fits strumming very, very well. So you put your finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's for strumming. And then if you want to get the melody right, I suggest you go with the shorter version of it, pretty much an F major 7. And it goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and then you have the open E there for the melody. So there you have the chord progression C, G, A minor, and F. Let's take a look first at the melody that goes in the beginning, and it comes through in and out from the song throughout the song. All right, so we're gonna start with the C part. It goes like this. So you're going to play the bass note, which is the 3rd fret A string. Then you play on the high E, and you're going to start with 3rd E. And you slide out to the 5th E, back to 3rd E, and open E. So count on 1 motion. What I do here, I pick the 1st note there, the 3rd E string, and I slide out to 5th, and I come back to 3rd. I don't pick the 5th and the next 3rd E string there. I slide out and I come back, and that will give us this sound. And then you can snap to get the open E or pick. It's up to you there, but I pick the bass note and the 1st, 3rd E string. Slide up to 5th and back to 3rd, and snap to get the open E. Okay, so that's the C part. Over to G. Goes like this. 3rd fret E string is the bass note. Then comes the 3rd B, open high E, back to 3rd B, and 2nd G. A minor next. So that is to play open A string in the bass notes. Then 1st B, 3rd B, open high E, and back to 3rd B. And then you have the final F parts, and it goes like this. So that will be 3rd on D, 1st B, 3rd B, open high E, and open G. All right, so there we have it, and that's the melody. One round goes like this. Actually 2 rounds anyway. That's how I handle it. Now let's go into the strumming, and now of course we need to hold the full chords as they are. C, G, A minor, and F. That's the order of it. And if you grab the 1st chord C, 1 string around will be like this. So it's down, 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 up. A couple of rounds goes like this. You're gonna play 1 of this per chord in the same order, and it gives us C, G, A minor, and F. That is how you play it. If you build up some of these notes into the strumming, and that is how you handle Kip Moore's bad spot. All right. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar, and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much, and play tuned.